Alright, what's up ladies and gents? It's your old Uncle Jacob back with another video. Today we're making a sandwich. Now I'm going to start with the sauce. It's kind of a natural given that any sauce contains ketchup. And it's very important that this ketchup is packet ketchup for authenticity. Try to adjust the camera because I couldn't set it up right beforehand. Add some mustard because it wouldn't be a sandwich without mustard. Shake it up so that there's no mustard. I don't even like mustard juice. Sure. Then there's some barbecue sauce because why not? I'm just trying to think of how many things I can fit in this sauce. No matter how bad it tastes. Be careful not to put too much sauce in there. There you go, not too much. Even though this will be pretty much in vain. Later, Diablo sauce from Taco Bell. Give it some spiciness. Not too much, not too much. Don't want it overpowering the flavor, even though this is also kind of in vain later. I also have some pickle relish. Well, pickle juice at this point, because I can't really get out the pickles. Vainly try to get some pickles out with your finger. So it looks like I'm flipping him off from inside the jar. Next we're going to add some pizza sauce, and this is where everything went downhill. I'm pretty sure I added a little bit too much pizza sauce. I probably shouldn't have added the pizza sauce in the first place. I'm sorry. It just kind of made the whole thing taste really bad in the end. Stir it around with your finger because you couldn't bother to bring something down to stir it with. Wipe off your finger on the edge. Now it's time for the actual assembly. First we're going to start off with some ham. I don't know what kind. Then tear apart the ham because it's too big to fit on the bread. And next, we are going to have some prepackaged, individually wrapped, processed cheese. And a cheese stick. Why not? This did make it kind of weird looking in the end because I tore it all up, as you can see here. I guess in my mind I was thinking it would be like stilts to separate the top layer of bread from the sauce. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that. But now we're gonna put on the sauce. It doesn't come out very easily. Tap it out very gently, even though it just came out in a giant blob anyway. And use your finger again to kind of like spread it out, even though the cheese stick is kind of blocking everything from doing anything. Use the top layer of bread as a cloth to wipe your hand on, and sandwich all of that in there. Now, this ended up tasting really weird. The sauce smelled really weird. It just smelled like pizza sauce, and the sandwich only tasted like pizza sauce. I couldn't even taste any cheese, no ham, no nothing. It just tasted like pizza sauce. Try taking another bite, see if anything different would happen. But nothing else happened. I ended up throwing this away. in the end. Bye.